wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 5 best typewriters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5, at just £10, the Brother GX6750 is portable and includes handy features like an automatic paper feed and correction system with 65-character memory. A self-demo mode shows off this entry-level daisy wheel model's capabilities for the uninitiated. It comes with a 90-day warranty and has an automatic carriage return, but you can't see the lines as you type them. At number 4, with its full-sized keyboard, the raw Epoch will make a comfortable transition for anyone interested in switching from a computer. While it's made from plastic and technically portable, it weighs in at £16, so be prepared to do some heavy lifting. It makes the standard clack and ding sounds and accepts universal ribbons. However, some spacing issues have been reported. Coming in at number 3 on our list, while the Brother ML300 lacks some of the satisfying force of a mechanical machine, it more than makes up for it with its 78,000-word English dictionary for error location and international keyboard. A 16-character LCD display facilitates line correction as you go. It features a multilingual spell check and automatic centering, and allows for bold and underlined text. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for Typewriters, or click beneath this video. At number 2, the electronic Nakajima WPT150 may not be as efficient as modern word processors, but it has full line correction memory up to 90 characters and allows for some complex formatting. Its classic daisy wheel design means it's loud, which may appeal to the nostalgic typist. It offers crisp and consistent lettering and 3-line spacing options. It includes correction tape and ribbon. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the American Crafts Typecast has all the benefits of a contemporary product, like customer service and availability of accessories, while retaining the classic style and function of mid-20th century machines. A perfect balance of the old and new in a lovely mint hue. Ribbons are available in 8 colors, and it offers 4-line spacing options. It comes with an accommodating 12-inch paper feed. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for Typewriters, or click beneath this video.